Oh, hello and welcome. My name is Barnaby Smythe, the Wacky Businessman. Welcome to the next series of articles with Colin Underwood. In this article, you'll see a 6-minute routine. It involves sponge balls, coins, and various other vanishes. In the next series of articles, we'll break those down into segments and show you in detail how I go about doing those. The main techniques that I use in terms of sleight of hand are sleeving, toppeting, and use of reels. The sleeving is very useful for me, and I've been doing it for quite a few years. It does enhance the magic and of course the character. The accentuation is not on the sleight of hand side of it, but of course on the character. The character is the most important side, and the acting and reacting to the magic that happens to him is what makes my character particularly effective. From a sleeving point of view, I use a classic sleeving technique, which is, if it's a pen, it simply is pushed up the sleeve. I can also change from one item to another item, and I use this quite effectively in the routines, as you will see. The other item that I use is, of course, the toppet. The toppet is based on the Amar design and is retrievable. Items are retrievable from the side, and this is very useful in vanishing an item that is quite large. I can also use it as a production holdout. I use a handball, which I will be going into in detail there. I use the handball as a final load for a chop cup routine used in the round in a walkabout situation. This allows me to produce a large melon, or as I say, the handball without the classic pouch from a cups and balls type of idea. Yes folks, the other technique that I use are of course reels. As you can see, I've got quite an assortment of different items, and I find them very effective within the character work. Let me show you, for instance, the brushing your hair. It's useful for the comedy situation. The other thing I use are magnets, quite extensively on different pockets, and I also use black art. So I'll be dealing with all of those in the next forthcoming articles. Thanks for watching, and if you got any feedback, send it to the editor. Thanks a lot. Cheers.